Does that create more of a problem? Hey guys, I'm Nate. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, that sounds good. All right, so what are we talking about today? We're talking about high mileage motor oil. So I know some of y'all on the channel, you really drive the crap out of your Hellcats. It's awesome. So you're probably already in kind of high mileage territory. So this car is still pretty much a baby in terms of mileage, but my wife's car is probably the workhorse in terms of road trips and stuff. That one sees a lot of miles, and so this high mileage thing kind of came up recently. Why did it come up? Because she went to the auto store to buy some oil so I could do the oil change on her car, and they gave her high mileage motor oil instead of regular stuff. So a little bit peeved about that. All right, so high mileage oil, for those of you guys that don't know it, basically what it does, you're supposed to use this on motors that are over a certain age, and what it does is it returns some of that suppleness, that pliability to the rubber seals, you know, O-rings, whatever it is that you have, and in the oil system, and also some of the seals that you have. It's supposed to swell those a little bit. So in case you are having a leak, something like that, it's supposed to help prevent you from having to replace whatever it is that's causing that leak. Why I don't like it? So I don't like it because all you're doing is basically putting a band-aid on a problem that you have, and you're gonna have to get that fixed. But why I really don't like it is, all right, well, you know, everyone kind of gets into this thing about, oh, it's high mileage car, you should put high mileage oil. Well, the problem is if you're putting this on a car that doesn't really have any type of seal swelling, any type of leaks, any type of problem, well, it's still going to swell those seals, right? And now you're probably going to have to continue using high mileage motor oil, because now if you go back, in theory, those seals or whatever should kind of go back to what they were before. And does that create more of a problem? I feel like it's one of those things that you may be creating a problem more than really helping anything if you start using this on a high mileage car that maybe doesn't need it. And if you have a high mileage car that does need it, you're just masking the issue. And instead, the better route would be, well, take care of the problem. And I know that's a lot easier said than done for most folks, but just food for thought. So yeah, I don't like it. I don't really want to use it. I plan to return that bottle and just get a bottle of the regular stuff for the next oil change. Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts, your comments. If you guys used it, do you guys stay away from it? What are your thoughts on high mileage motor oil? So that's it for this one. Check out these next videos, and I'll see you there. Thanks.